Fix Windows 11 can't access shared folder error. 1. Run NetUse device name, / server name / share name command as admin. 2. Enable SMB 1.0 / CIFS file sharing support and turn Windows features on or off. 3. Turn on Network Discovery in Control Panel. 4. Ensure you get eFolder permissions. Hint, under group or user names, select everyone and allow full control. 5. Function discovery provider host service run automatically. 6. Create a subfolder, Landman Workstation at computer / HKey _ local _ machine / software / policies / Microsoft / Windows / Landman Workstation in Windows registry. Create a DWORD, 32-bit, value, allow insecure guest auth in Landman Workstation above, then set 1 to allow insecure guest auth. Restart your PC.